The increasing prevalence of smart devices, including artificial intelligence systems and robots, has led to a significant impact on job markets around the world. While these devices offer numerous benefits, such as increased efficiency and productivity, they also have the potential to significantly impact job markets. In this video, we'll explore the complex ways in which smart devices are affecting the job market, both in terms of job loss and new job opportunities. Impact on job loss. The impact of smart devices on job markets is complex and multifaceted. On the one hand, the increased use of smart devices has led to the displacement of many workers in industries such as manufacturing, transportation, and retail. As robots and automation systems become more advanced and capable of performing tasks that were previously done by humans, it's likely that some jobs will become obsolete. This has led to concerns about the potential for widespread job loss and the displacement of workers. New job opportunities. However, it's also important to consider the new job opportunities that smart devices are creating. As new technologies emerge, there is a growing need for workers who can design, build, and maintain these devices. For example, the rise of smart homes and the Internet of Things has led to an increase in demand for workers with expertise in software engineering, data analysis, and cybersecurity. Additionally, the deployment of smart devices in various industries has created new roles such as robot operators, data analysts, and AI trainers. Training for smart devices. To take advantage of these new job opportunities, workers must have the skills and training necessary to work with smart devices. In addition, the deployment of smart devices has created new demands for workers with expertise in areas such as machine learning, natural language processing, and cognitive computing. Conclusion. Smart devices are transforming the way we live and work, and they will continue to have a significant impact on the job market. While there is the potential for some job loss as a result of automation and robotization, there are also new job opportunities emerging in fields related to smart devices.